piece by piece. Little do you know I need a little. It's true. So don't you doubt what I've been dreaming, 'cause it fills me up and holds me close whenever I'm alone. And I'm so proud of you guys. Like, hindi madali maniwala sa sarili. Kalimutan ko na yung ibang lyrics. Pero yeah, kakayanin niyo to. I'm always here if you guys need. Sorry, kinakapa ko yun eh. Lagi ko narinig sa TikTok to. Ay, gusto mo hawakan palagi mga kamay. Gusto mo hawakan palagi mga kamay. So low eh. I just wanna let you know, they know I ain't playing. Cute. Yun, wala pa nagtuto eh. Love you so, DC. Basta, aralin ko na yan. Iba-iba sila. Okay. Ayun, ipagat. Kala ko may nag-hello po sa audio pala siya. Hindi, 200k lang naman yung goal natin. So, lag? Anong lag? What do you mean lag? You look so cute! Do you remember when we were young? I wanted to kumu kasi tagal ko na rin hindi nagkumu. Hindi naman matagal, pero you know, yeah, it's fine. We're gonna end the live in 3. Char. And virtual hug. Of course, we can't forget that. Good job today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my live today and everyone's live today. And Joanna's gonna go next. I'm gonna go. Say bye-bye. Cute. Did you shave? I think Ate Karel shaved it. But I think threading is more effective. Pinaint ko to. I painted this. Look, oh. Texture. It's the Caribbean ship. Kung nyo may music, maririnig nyo pero wala kayong makikita. Okay lang yan. Ikaw arte mo na, ayaw mo na sa akin, ha?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Blooms!
Kuya,
Meron pala yun. Saan nakakabili ng ganun?
yung?
Yung pink na galon. Ako gusto ko ng
May nakita akong cream.
cream.
Maganda.
Wala, gusto ko na yun.
Beige, gano'n.
Hi, hi. Hello, hello. Huh? Ha.
What are you guys doing? Hello, hello.
Area. Wala mukbang. Hindi naman. I'm not gonna watch. What's your fit? Ito na yun. Ito na ako pupunta doon. What's going on? No, just kidding. I really want you guys na walang nag-aaway sa fandom, you know. Like, I mean, hindi maiiwasan na mag-aaway ang mga tao. Pero, it would be much appreciated by the girls, by Mika Lim, na I hope that we meet again on our next live. And abangan nyo ang mga pasabog na pasabog. Boosh. Anyway. Bye-bye. Mga dance step ng mga boys na gumagano sila, tapos kinakledge na yung Johnny David. Tapos nag-swallow sila. Ganun. I'm like, say what? Why can't we girls do that? We gonna do that too, you know? I'm saying. Lang kayo. I'm excited for the next episode. For like my next episode kasi nagpa-thread ako ng kilay and it helps. It makes such a difference. Thank you, Chok. Chok, parinig naman ng isang sigaw mo dyan. Charot. Hindi pala pwede. Se bellissima. Mika. What? I wish that the main character would be Mikey na lang instead. Like, he's more interesting, di ba? Thank you, Blue Shane. Thank you, Nimra. Wandering free, wish I could be part of that world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the land? So close to being in love. If I would have known that you wanted me the way I wanted you, then baby, curtains finally closing. That was quite a show, very entertainment. But it's over now. But it's over now. Don't wanna take a while. Jumping in both feet, going to the sun, we ain't getting off the lead. 7 days a week, 7 different streets, 7 different angles. I can be your fantasy. Open up, say ah. Come here, baby, let me swallow your pride. What you want, I can match your vibe. Hit me up and I'ma cha-cha slide. You make Mondays feel like weekends. I make him never think about cheating. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. Every hour, every minute, every second. Magpa-party na ako mag-isa dahil dito. I'll be fucking you by 7 days a week. Hey, you love when I jump right in. In the dark for someone who will save her. Wait lang, dito ko sa walang flash. Ano nga?
48 naman na tayo.
Tignan mo to, mga babaeng to. Oo, dapat ka ano.
Kamukha si Robin.
Uy, sila.
48.
Ano tayo? Itang irritate ko.
Pwede ba dun ka sa likod?
Pag ganito na lang, pag ganito.
Dun ka sa likod.
Hindi ka nakifilters tapo?
Wag na, okay lang yan para makita na yung totoo nating kulay. Wag na, no filter!
Paano mo ginagawa? I-check mo nga sa inyo.
Ayun na, pinindot ko lang. Wala, meron nga, bakit?
Happy birthday to you.
Wala kong lighter.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Ano ba itong gulo-gulo naman?
Wala akong makikis.
Wala akong nakikita. Hindi ako. Ulit guys, sabay tayo. Dito ako. Hindi ako makakita. Tara, bigaw na! Dito ka na lang palit. Dito na lang ako.
May makeup yan.
Sobrang...
Sino nag-send? Sino nag-send? Ito.
Sabi ni Sheena, ay tinakpan!